So welcome to MinkMood, guys, another episode of fixing my $600 Mazda 6S. In this case, as you may know, I live with my family here in South Florida, sunny Florida for some of you, which has some particular rain showers. So yeah, it rains, heavily rains from one second to another, and then it stops. So what happened though is that my passenger side, all the floor was soaked entirely in water, but not a little bit water, it was completely soaked in water. And even though the rear one, although we have here a beautiful umbrella as well, this one, and I think it still is, you can see the marks, so as well. Oh, and it's even wet now. So yeah, it's still wet, and yeah, I didn't know exactly from where it was coming. I thought it could be the AC, so I checked what's going on with this AC. The AC drain plug is on the engine compartment, so I checked that one and it was completely open. It was fine. So you will see the car running, the AC working as well, and you will see some drops of water coming down as part of the entire AC cooling system working. So the AC was not the issue. Then I kept doing some research online and I came to realize that this guy could be the one causing that issue. So here we have my temporary solution. I put some wrapping tape all across the edges of the moonroof. Here's one. It's right underneath there, and then I have the other one here, which is right underneath there. It's not very easy to access. Let me see if you can see them now. Yeah, you can see it now. So those are the two water drain plugs. Oh. Engages and disengages. Woo-hoo-hoo! Thrown out. No one really wanted. I got it in, and it's actually working. $12. This is outstanding. Let's see how it goes. This is Lolo.
Hey, right.
We're gonna try if it actually works. So he's gonna slowly pour some water through here, very slowly, and we'll see how. Oh, ahí nomás, and it goes down. Yeah. Do it one more time. Ahí nomás, and it goes down. So here we can see that this water drain plug is actually working. Now the one that was blocked is actually this one. So we're gonna repeat the process. I know what? And it goes down again. Hey, I think it's working. This is MinkMood, cheapest channel in all of YouTube. I hope you guys.
How much did you save by doing this?
$500, because Mazda dealership told me that they will have to investigate to detect from where the failure was coming. Again, a lot of water in the passenger side and also in the back of as well, the same side, passenger side. We're talking about the right side of the car. And one more time, let's do it one more time. And there it goes. Done. Thank you guys for watching.